Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you with another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. And today we're going to be talking about the new Hypershift clutch kit for the 2022 Wildcat XXs with the Adapt clutches on them. So a lot of you guys know for the 2022 special edition and newer models, they're going to come with the new Adapt primary clutch, and the Adapt secondary clutch was pretty much the same thing as a Team Boss. It's just made from someone else, so they call it something else. But it pretty much, the secondary is the same, the primary is just completely different. And they got the Adapt primary, but everybody's been waiting for it. Everybody's been talking about it. We've been doing testing, we've been doing tuning, and we're here today to let you know that we have our Hypershift clutch kits available for them. We don't have every single scenario, elevation, tire size, we don't have every single one of them sorted out and complete yet, but we do have all the base and the standard stuff, and we'll be filling in the holes here in the coming weeks, so all that stuff will be readily available for you. So I got the parts in front of us here. You can see one of our H5 alloy primary springs, one of our H5 alloy secondary springs, compound radius Helix, and our billet machined adjustable weights, and our weight adjustment kit. That's everything that the kit comes with. You're going to see really smooth engagement, just a good, real smooth, buttery feel. None of that jerkiness, none of that stabbiness. We really focus a lot on that because over the years, it's just all the feedback has been the customers really like where it's smooth and comfortable there. So all that's gone. Engage is about 2,500 RPM. Long term, we'll have some even lower options. And for guys that are doing more performance-based type riding, racing, things like that, we have higher engagement options available as well. Again, really focused on the anti-jerkiness, the anti-chattery feeling and stuff that the stock setup seems to be prone with. Excellent back shift, improved acceleration and response, operates at the optimum operating RPM, so you're always in the peak or really close to the peak power band, and that all these parts are 100% made in the USA, proudly from the team here at Speedwerx. If you're looking for clutching for your new 2022 and newer Wildcat XX, the Speedwerx kit is definitely the way to go. These kits are retailing for $549.95. You can check them out on our website or give us a call and let us know if you have any more questions.